about nature. Starting to appreciate nature out there. Learning to treat it better. Something made much easier. When I came to discover I am 93% stardust, the same stuff nature is made of. I guess that makes me nature on legs. Right, I'll give you one more. This one's called It's Complicated, and I think Paul actually did ascribe to this, and also Danny in her wonderful grounding talked about this. It has roots. It bears fruits. It breeds in reverse. Won't always be where it should, or do what's for all our best good. What else to expect from a tree with complicated emotions? You haven't guessed, that's you.
Thank you. Big round of applause. Frank, amazing. Thank you so much.